Looking for the best PCIe Wi-Fi card that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best PCIe Wi-Fi card that's are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Ulanson PCIe Wi-Fi card. This 2.5 gigabits PCIe network card is a strong upgrade for desktops that need faster, more reliable wired networking without complicated installation. Delivering up to 2.5 gigabits per second, it provides 2.5 times the bandwidth of standard gigabit Ethernet, making it well suited for gaming, 4K streaming, large file transfers, cloud workloads, and low latency applications. The included standard and low-profile brackets allow installation in full-size desktops, workstations, and compact PCs, while compatibility with PCIe X1, X4, X8, and X16 slots adds flexibility. Powered by the Realtek RTL8125B chipset, it offers stable connectivity alongside features such as Wake on LAN, PXE boot, and VLAN tagging. An integrated heatsink helps manage operating temperatures during sustained workloads. Support spans Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, plus several NAS, virtualization, and router platforms, though ESE 7.0 is specifically unsupported. Overall, it is a capable choice for upgrading modern home, gaming, and professional networks. Next up is Brothers Trend PCIe Wi-Fi card. This 5 gigabits per second PCIe network card is an excellent upgrade for users who need significantly faster wired connectivity than traditional gigabit Ethernet can provide. With support for 5 gigabits per second speeds, it delivers up to 5 times the bandwidth of standard gigabit networking, making it particularly valuable for demanding gaming, high-resolution streaming, large file transfers, and fast local network workloads. Its 5-base-T technology helps take better advantage of high-speed internet plans while reducing latency and improving responsiveness. For local networks, the card can also accelerate data transfers between PCs, servers, and other compatible devices. Reliability is reinforced by a high-quality aluminum heatsink with dense cooling fins that helps dissipate heat during sustained workloads. It supports Windows 11, Windows 10, and Windows Server 2022, with driver installation required to achieve full performance. Linux support is available out of the box on kernel 6.9 or newer, although Linux-specific technical support is not provided. Overall, it is a capable high-speed networking upgrade for modern desktops. Coming in at number 3 is DRapid PCIe Wi-Fi card. This AX900 Wi-Fi 6 PCIe adapter is a practical way to upgrade a desktop with faster wireless networking and modern Bluetooth connectivity. Its combined speeds reach up to 900 megabits per second, with 600 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 300 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, making it suitable for 4K per 8K streaming, fast downloads, online gaming, and everyday browsing, although a Wi-Fi 6 router is needed to maximize performance. MU-MIMO and OFDMA improve efficiency when multiple devices share the network, helping reduce latency during gaming, video calls, and simultaneous downloads, while WPA3 adds stronger wireless security. Bluetooth 5.4 is enabled through the included internal cable, allowing compatible keyboards, mice, headphones, and controllers to connect with improved efficiency and low latency. 2 adjustable 6 dB high-gain antennas help extend range and maintain signal quality through walls. With PCIe X1 compatibility across larger PCIe slots and support for Windows 10, 11 and Linux, it is a flexible desktop networking upgrade. Now number 4, Fenvi PCIe Wi-Fi card. The Fenvi Wi-Fi 7 PCIe card with the MT7925 chipset is a high-performance desktop networking upgrade designed for demanding wireless workloads. Its tri-band configuration delivers up to 2,882 megabits per second on both 6 GHz and 5 GHz plus 688 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, with up to 6.5 gigabits per second combined throughput when paired with a compatible Wi-Fi 7 router. Multi-link operation, MLO, helps combine bands to reduce latency and packet loss, making it particularly appealing for competitive gaming, 4K streaming, and real-time conferencing. Bluetooth 5.4 provides stable connections for multiple peripherals, including headsets, keyboards, mice, and controllers, though existing desktop Bluetooth should be disabled first. OFDMA and MU-MIMO improve efficiency when multiple devices are active, while WPA3/WPA2 security strengthens network protection. Compatibility with PCIe X1/X4/X8/X16 slots, Intel and AMD motherboards, and both full height and low profile brackets makes installation flexible. Overall, it is a strong choice for users seeking modern Wi-Fi 7 performance and lower wireless latency. And finally, our last pick is Card PCIe Wi-Fi card. This 2.5 gigabits per second PCIe network card is a solid upgrade for desktops that need faster and more dependable wired connectivity. Powered by the Realtek RTL8125B controller and 2.5G base T technology, it delivers speeds up to 2.5 gigabits per second, 2.5 times faster than standard gigabit Ethernet, making it well suited for gaming, streaming, large file transfers, and demanding network workloads. Its PCIe X1, X4, X8, and X16 compatibility provides flexible installation, while automatic negotiation supports 2.5 gigabits per second, 1 gigabit per second, and 100 megabits per second networks for broad compatibility. QoS technology helps prioritize bandwidth for latency-sensitive applications, keeping gaming and streaming more consistent when network traffic is heavy. Support for Windows, Linux, Mac, Windows Server, and platforms including DSM, PVE, iQuai, Unraid, OpenWRT, and ESG 6.7 makes it suitable for home, office, and server environments. Wacom LAN adds convenient remote management. Overall, it is a versatile and reliable 2.5 GBE networking upgrade. So those were the top 5 best PCIe Wi-Fi card you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.